Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add Theta Mainnet to Metamask. First method is a quick setup. Let's open chainlist.org. On this website let's search for Theta. Once found, click on Add to Metamask. Approve on the Metamask pop-up. And it's done, now you have Theta Mainnet on your wallet. Second method is a full manual one. Let's expand the RPC network list. Now we need to go to the Metamask. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Here go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down till you will have a button to add a custom network. Then click it. OK, let's click this button. Type Theta Mainnet as the network name. Now back to Chainlist and let's copy one of the most stable RPC by clicking on it. Click on Add a URL and then the button under it. Here you have to paste it. And click Add URL. Now, as you can see, chain ID is 361 and currency symbol is TFUEL. So let's type both. Then click Save button. In my example, I can't do it as I've already added this network to my Metamask. And that's it. Explore the ecosystem and have fun. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.